It's here, the Homelist Rechargeable Sensor Motion Ceiling Light. Hay que abrirlo. A ver qué tal. So, mira nada más. This is perfect for the basement, pantry, the closet, the hallway. So check it out. You charge it right here. And sensor motion. Ooh. So when you're walking in, the light can just turn on. No worries. So let's see how this works. All right. Ooh. So check this out, mi gente. Look how bright that is. So check it out. You can just control it with this remote control. Make it brighter. Check this out. Different colors. So you can put the light in whatever mood you feel like. Isn't that awesome? And it has a timer. So you can just add a timer to it or the motion sensor, y voila, turns off by itself. Off, auto, and on. You can also change the light from this button right here. Make sure you charge it so it can be ready to go. Let's put it up and try it out. A ver qué tal. Now that it's fully charged, let's get the Homeless motion sensor light up in the closet. Easy installation, no wires, no fuss. With the remote, you control the brightness and timer settings. And check it out, motion activated. So it lights up exactly when you need it. Perfect for closet, pantries, hallways, and more. Brighten up your space effortlessly. Orders yours today.